Hey friends, welcome back to your favorite language learning YouTube channel Lingo Cube. My name is Ina, your very own language learning guide, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more interesting content. Believe me or not, but if you are a Hindi speaker who is trying to learn French language, it is slightly easier for you to pick up French language faster than your co-learners who are non-Hindi speakers. Why? Because just like in French language, every noun in Hindi also has its own gender.